Welcome to the e-waste talk brought to you by Avanza Recycling. I'm Mamta, your host. Today we are diving into the deep world of e-waste. We are not alone. We have a brilliant 6th and 5th graders with us. They are ready to share and learn more about the e-waste world. Yes. Welcome, guys. I'm so happy you're here today. Let's start talking about e waste. Are you guys ready to share and learn?
Yes.
Yes. So, here's the first question. Do you know what is e waste? What type of items fall into the e waste category?
E-waste stands for electronic waste, which includes old or broken electronic devices that are no longer used. Items like old phones, computers, televisions, and batteries fall under this category. It's important to recycle e-waste and properly protect the environment and avoid harmful chemicals.
Yes, yes, that's right, Ryan. E-waste or electronic waste is all the old electronics that we no longer use it. That's a good answer. Phones, computer, televisions, and guess what? So many things falls under e-waste. Yes. Here's the next question. Why e-waste is a problem? You guys think?
E-waste is a problem because it can harm the environment if not disposed properly. Many electronic devices have dangerous chemicals like lead and mercury that can pollute the soil and water. Uh, if we don't recycle it, e-waste the right way, it can also cause health problems for people who handle it.
Yes, exactly. If we don't recycle e-waste, it can lead to a landfill and then bad or environment, harmful chemicals. Electronics can leak into the soil and water. There are many things. Yes. Do you have any ideas about how can we keep e-waste from the piling up? Or what should you do with a old phone or a computer instead of throwing it away?
Let me just think about that. Hmm. Hmm. Uh, to keep e-waste from piling up, we can recycle old electronics instead of throwing them away. See, like if you have an old phone or a computer, you can take it to a recycling center or donate it if it still works. Some stores even have special programs where they take back your old devices to recycle or reuse your parts.
Oh, that's a very nice answer, Ryan. Guys, can you think any creative ways of repurpose an old gadgets instead of throwing it away? Like repurpose of old gadgets instead of throwing it away.
Uh, oh, we can use our old phones as a music player. We can use our old phones to we can like store our favorite songs and turn them into a dedicated music player. Then we can also use our computers as a DIY smart mirror. We can turn our old computer screen into a smart mirror by adding a Raspberry Pi and a special software to display time, weather, and other useful info. Then we can also use our old headphones as like plant holders. We can use the ear cups of the old headphones as a quirky plant pots to display our small and beautiful plants.
Those are awesome ideas, Fala. So, the first step is to take care of our electronic, which is no longer useful for us. We can also donate our old items to somebody who can use it instead of throwing it away. That's a really good idea. So, yes, here is a fun question. Do you think anything cool we can make from the recycled electronics? Have you seen anything interesting made from e-waste?
Yes, there's really cool things you can make from e-waste. Okay, since since as new models release, people often throw away their old gadgets instead of recycling or repurposing them, which creates a lot of e-waste in the community. Additionally, the production of the technology requires materials that can contribute to pollution if not managed properly. So yes, there are some very cool things you can make from e-waste. Stuff that I've seen that people have made these dedicated robots that can help people get from one place to another. People have made cars using old engines, and people have also made a dedicated car which can take you from their house to the hospital.
Yes, that's a wonderful ideas and creative ideas too. Actually, we can also make some jewels from out of e-waste, that old wastage. Yes. So here is another question for you guys. How does the fast pace of new technology coming out make an e-waste worse?
Let me think. The fast pace of new technology makes the e-waste worse because people often upgrade to the latest gadgets, leaving the old ones behind. As the new phones and computers and other electronics are released, older models quickly become outdated or unnecessary, causing more items to be thrown away. This results in more electronic waste that needs to be properly disposed of, but often ends up in landfills and harming the environment.
Yes, guys, can you have you ever heard any recycling programs, or have you seen people are throwing their old electronics to be recycled?
Um, Actually, yes, I have heard of e-waste recycling programs. These are special programs where people can drop off their old electronics like broken phones, computers, and TVs so they can be recycled properly instead of throwing them away. They can get taken apart, and the valuable materials inside, like the metals and the plastics, can be reused to make new products. This helps keep harmful chemicals out of the environment. One place where people can drop off their old electronics for recycling is a Vanzo Recycling. It's a company that helps make sure electronic e-waste is recycled the right way. If you have any old gadgets lying around, like an old TV or an old laptop, you can bring them to Avanza Recycling and they'll take care of them for you. It's a great way to help protect the planet.
That's perfect. Fala, do you want to add something?
No.
Okay. Yes, we actually, when we recycle e-waste, we protect our planet and help keep clean for the future. Plus, it's easy and it's something everyone can do, right?
Yes, yes.
Yes, guys, thank you for joining with us today. Hope you learned something and you have shared so much knowledge to the audience. Yes, thank you so much. I hope you have learned a lot about e-waste today. Remember, recycling is one of the best things that we can do to our planet for the sustainable future. And I would like to thank you, our students, for joining us today in our podcast. And I also thank you, all the listeners. And if you want to know more about Avanzo Recycling, you can check our website, and you can also follow us in LinkedIn, Instagram, and YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. Have a great day.